How to fix the issue of iPhone pausing music.
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to fix the common issue of music pausing on your iPhone. It can be frustrating when your favorite tunes are constantly interrupted, but worry not, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in and find out how to resolve this problem.
Check for background app refresh.
The first thing we want to check is the background app refresh setting on your iPhone. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, but sometimes it can interfere with the music playback. To access this setting, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Select Background App Refresh. 4. Make sure the toggle switch is turned off or selectively disable it for specific apps. Disabling background app refresh can help prevent apps from interrupting your music playback.
Disable Bluetooth.
Another possible culprit for the music pausing issue is a Bluetooth connection. If your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device that is experiencing interference or connection problems, it can cause your music to pause unexpectedly. Let's try disabling Bluetooth temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. 1. Access the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner, on iPhone 10 or later, or swiping up from the bottom, on iPhone 8 or earlier. 2. Locate the Bluetooth icon and tap on it to turn it off. The icon should appear grayed out when disabled. By disabling Bluetooth, we eliminate any potential disruptions caused by a faulty or unstable connection.
Reset all settings.
If the previous steps didn't resolve the issue, it's time to try resetting your iPhone settings. This step won't erase your data but will restore all system settings to their default values. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Select Reset. 4. Choose Reset All Settings and enter your passcode if prompted. 5. Confirm the reset by tapping on Reset All Settings again. Please note that after resetting the settings, you'll need to reconfigure any personalized preferences, such as wallpaper or accessibility options. However, your data and media files will remain intact.
Update iOS.
Keeping your iPhone's operating system up to date is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and fixing any known bugs or glitches. To ensure you have the latest iOS version, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Select Software Update. 4. If an update is available, tap on Download and install and follow the on-screen instructions. Updating to the latest iOS version can often address issues that might be causing music playback interruptions. And that's a wrap. We've covered several potential solutions to fix the issue of music pausing on your iPhone. Remember to check the background app refresh settings, disable Bluetooth if necessary, reset all settings as a last resort, and keep your iOS up to date. Hopefully, one of these steps will resolve the problem for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Until next time, take care and enjoy your uninterrupted music experience.